melodies and chord progressions covered in week 1 of the lesson. Okay, so the first chords that we were starting out with was the F sharp chord, which is this guy. Okay, so you can play it like this. You could stretch the pinky finger out to the 5th fret, and it gives it another nice version. Okay. You can also put the middle finger down as well on the D string. These are just variations. Then you have the version of the G, which is this one. 1st, 2nd and 3rd finger. Another variation of, let's say, the F sharp, which is this guy. So from the G chord, then we have the stretch up to another variation of the G chord. So you have this version here, stretch up to the B flat note, then this version of the F chord, this version of the F, back to the F sharp. Okay, then we have, let's say, B minor with the bar A, the full bar A. Lift the bar A off, and then lift the pinky finger off. Then you have this version of the A7, and then the pinky finger down on the 4th fret. Then G7. Version of the F, and back to the F sharp. Okay. So the first melody we covered was going down across the F sharp chord, and you're doing a hammer on pull off with the middle finger. Okay. So you're going. So starting again. So you're going. Back with the ring finger. So you have, and you repeat that phrase again a second time, but this time we're going to resolve on the G chord. So we're going, and then you're stretching with the pinky finger to the 5th fret on the A string. So you have, that's a really simple intro for Tarantas. Okay, the other let's say style in flamenco that we covered was soleá. So the main chords in soleá, which is the traditional Andalusian cadence, you have is A minor, this version of the G chord, okay, and this version of the F chord with no bar A, and then back to the E chord. You can do the E Phrygian chord, which is by sliding, let's say, the ring finger up to the F note on the D string, which sounds like this. So it should sound like this. Okay. The other alternative chords that you can do off this is a nice progression to work through. So you have A minor, then let's say you have a version with the F sharp note on top, and then to G, the G bar chord, G7, back to G, and then this version of G7, and then to C, and then A minor, G, F, E. Okay, so the melodies that we covered, which were in this style, were these. This is a simple thumb melody. So you have, like this. So you have really important to get, like, you know, the bend on the E, on the B note. So you have okay. Then the next melody we had was a study, let's say, like, go for legatos and hammer-ons and pull-offs. You had get up, like, go to the C note first, so we have, and then, so we have, repeat that again, one more time. Play it really slowly. You have then the next melody we did after that was using the thumb and index. So you have alternate version of it, which you use to finish or close the phrases. So that's going along. So yeah. So it's a legato going. So the whole phrase you have is questions, like, or any problems, just let me know in the next class, okay?